Hello everyone and welcome to Worldwide, the channel where we travel beyond borders to explore the cultures, stories, and hidden wonders of countries across the globe. Every episode on Worldwide takes you on a journey, discovering unique landscape, exploring the traditions of different people, and understanding the stories that make each nation special. Today, we begin our global adventure with a place known for its breathtaking beauty, rich heritage, warm heart people, a country filled with Asian kingdoms, golden beach, wildlife, and flavor that excite every traveler. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sri Lanka, also called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Let's dive into a fantastic explanation of this amazing island nation. Okay, firstly I will go to explain about geographical location of the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a small island nation located in the Indian Ocean, just below the southern tip of India. Although the country covers only about 65,000 square kilometers, it is incredibly diverse. In just a few hours of travel, you can move from sunny beaches to misty mountains, from ancient running to modern bustling cities. This geographical variety is one of the reasons Sri Lanka attracts millions of tourists every year. When we talk about history about Sri Lanka has a very old history, more than 2500 years. There were many ancient kingdoms, such as Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and Kandy. These kings built big temples, huge stumps, strong palaces, and smart irrigation systems to bring water to farms. Buddhism came to Sri Lanka in the 3rd century before Common Era, and it became an important part of the culture. Places like the Temple of the Tooth Lily and Anuradhapura are famous because of this. Later, European came, first the Portuguese, then the Dutch, and finally the British. Sri Lanka became independent in 1940s because of its long history and many influences. Sri Lanka has a culture that is unique and special. Culture and people. Sri Lanka has many communities like Sinhalese, Tamil, Muslims, Burghers. Each group brings its own traditions, languages, and celebrations. Sri Lankans love festivals. The Sinhala and Tamil New Year's, Vesak, Deepavali, Christmas, and Eid are celebrated with happiness and colors. People in the Sri Lanka are known for being very friendly and welcoming. Many visitors say the kindness of the people is one of the best things about the country. When we talk about nature and wildlife of the Sri Lanka is full of beautiful nature. It has rainforests, waterfalls, mountains, beach, and wild animals. In Sri Lanka, you can see elephant in places like Pinnavala, leopards in Yala National Park, dolphin near Mirissa, many colorful birds and animals. Not only that, tea plantation in Nuvareli and Alle are also very famous. The country has so much natural beauty that is feel like a whole world inside one island. Food of Sri Lanka. Oh, this part is very interesting. Sri Lankan food is one of the most existing part of the country. It is colorful, spicy, and full of strong flavors. One interesting thing is that Sri Lankan people use many spices for their dishes. Another special thing is that coconut is used in almost every dish. Coconut milk, coconut oil, and even grounded coconut. It makes the fruit very delicious. Sri Lanka also has very unique dishes. For example, kottu roti. It is a very famous street food made by cutting flatbread and mixing it with vegetable, egg or chicken. When chefs make kottu, they chop the fruit on a metal board, so you hear loud, a very fun sound. There are also hoppers. Not only that, Sri Lanka is an island. You can find fresh seafood everywhere. So, Sri Lanka food is full of life, full of spice, and full of tradition. It is something every visitor remembers. Economy and modern life. In the past, Sri Lanka's economy depended on farming, especially tea, rubber, and coconut. But today, tourism, clothes manufacturing, tea export, and technology service are also important. Cities like Colombo are becoming more modern with tall buildings, hotels, and shopping malls. Tourist attractions. Sri Lanka has many amazing places to visit. For example, Sigiriya Rock, Kandy, Gold Fort, Alla, Jaffna, Nuvareli and Yala Park. Why Sri Lanka is special? What makes Sri Lanka special is how many different things you can find in one small island. Friendly people, old culture, beautiful nature, tasty food, and existing place to explore. Many visitors come once and always want to return again. Thank you for watching this video on Worldwide. On this channel, I don't travel around the world, but I bring the world to you through informations, stories, and interesting facts about different countries. If you enjoy learning about Sri Lanka today, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon. More countries and more amazing facts are coming soon. See you in the next video as we continue learning about wonderful world together.